Actually, we are in Phetchabun. So, itong Phetchabun, this province is very popular for their Sea of Clouds. We've been here around maybe 3 years ago.
4 years ago.
4 years ago. We've been here and then we didn't see any sea clouds. So, we
Right.
we want to go back there, but we don't know when.
Sea clouds.
Can you remember that? When we went to the windmill in Phetchabun.
What's Phetchabun?
I will show you the photos.
Oh, they cannot
I
remember.
know. The one you showed us last time when we went to the sea.
Yes.
Yeah.
Those with the wind turbines.
Yeah, what do you mean sea clouds?
Yeah, sea of clouds. Yeah. It's like the clouds. You can see the clouds. You're gonna be on top of the clouds. Ooh, interesting, isn't
Say
it?
you want that, we're gonna be like Peppa.
Oh yes, same as Rainbow Dash.
Relaxing on
Oh, look at this. Ito, another going up ulit. Rim, ready? Let's go.
Hold.
Yay. Kaya.
Ayan, lalim.
Galing ni Trim ah.
Taas.
Okay, lalabas na kami. Ngayon pa lang kami lalabas ng National Park. So, ito yung gate.
Why are you putting on your mask?
Checkpoint sila.
May checkpoint.
They will control the... Ito naman yung nasa unahan natin. Puro sayo.
Whoa, look, Vivi. Mommy, look.
Yeah.
Another wobbly.
Wobbly wobbly.
I can see.
Like a snake. A wobbly snake.
Oh, look at the map. It's wobbly wobbly. And then we're gonna enter another green part. Hold. Ah! Oh my gosh, we're going down.
Going down.
Down,
and
down,
curved.
down.
The mountain's so beautiful.
Yes.
Vivi, look.
Oh, look up there. Wow, mountains. Hindi kami maka-overtake sa malaking to.
Let's take a side way right now. Hope she's not talking to Sushi again.
Going down, hold mga kababayan.
Hey!
Oh,
Zigzag.
huwag kayong umalis ng inyong linya mga...
Zigzag.
Puputok na naman yung tenga ko. Aray. Low gear. Oh,
Every car.
naka-hazard siya.
Oo. Naalaman siya.
Or ano lang talaga sila nag-aakot.
Oo.
Nahirapan sila.
This is a long trip.
Oh, tatlo. Huwag ka na mapakatabi, baka tayo mahulog.
Yeah.
Bakit sila dito dumaan? Mountainous. Yes. Wow.
Almost there.
Look, the mountain is just there, oh. Yan, oh. Mountain of something. Ano ba yan? Wow, look at this.
We're on top.
Oh, so I think they have tourist spot here.
Yeah, I saw. What's it?
Tigil tayo dyan.
Pa, hindi naman. Dati. Huwag.
Mommy, I saw it like this.
Ay, may accident.
Kala ko may tourist spot. They had an accident. Oh my! That's why they need to have some space to each other. No? Kasi I think nagkaanohan sila.
What accident? I don't see.
Nagkabundulan sa likod.
Can even Louisa move this thing? Mountains?
Why? What did Luisa say?
I
What did Louisa say?
I can.
The mountain.
I move the mountains. I move the churches.
Are you sing it?
I don't know how to sing surface version.
I can move the mountains.
I can make trees and flowers bloom. I can take another eye upon my roof. That's Mirabelle! Yeah, it's Mirabelle. They're waiting on a miracle. That's only her. Guys, you know Encanto? Huh? They don't know. I don't know, because they're grown-ups.
No, maybe some kids are.
Yeah.
Oh, comment down below if you know Encanto and sing with us.
La 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 la. Just kidding.
Like Bruno. Like Crazy Bruno.
Don't talk about.
Don't talk about Bruno.
That is not crazy.
That's not Crazy Bruno. Hey, what?
Oh my, wag kayong over
Oh, mommy! Look, so beautiful, guys. Have you seen giant mountains like this on your trip? Going to Pizzagong if you have friends in there?
Sa tingin mo, Daddy, na napoprotektahan tayo nitong isang to?
Oh.
Kasi parang kagugulatan to eh.
Oh, doesn't it? What's this?
Enjoy the view, guys! So, si ate nakakapit siyang matigpit. Kasi ayaw niyang mahulog.
Oh. Ooh, I can see houses.
What is this? ASEAN intersection.
Malaysia, Laos, Myanmar.
Oh, alright.
And then
Mommy, I saw a pizza.
Phetchabun is
Phetchabun is going there. Wangkong, Pitsanulok. Oh!
Go straight.
Go straight for Pitsanulok. Yay!
1 and 34 minutes.
1 and 34 minutes, we're gonna be in Pitsanulok, Laonia. 34.
1 hour and 34 minutes.
1 hour and 34
I'm
minutes.
gonna look at waves. They were stopped.
So sabi, this is going to Malaysia.
Phetchabun. Malaysia.
Yes.
The other one is going to
The
Laos.
other one, this way.
It's going to Laos.
There. Going to Laos. So it means andito tayo sa ano, gitna.
Thailand.
Thailand. Nasa gitna tayo ng Malaysia and Laos.
And
Going
then-
straight. Going to north. So papunta naman ng Myanmar.
Are we going to Myanmar?
Myanmar. Pizza. Ano man?
Mga katapusan. 2 hours na ganito. Parang puerto lang talaga to. Ah,
May ticket sa Puerto
dahilig. Oo. Nakadahilig siya, oh. Dali din tayo tabi-tabi at baka may bulan sa balkon. Oh. Nasa ano din, malapit na rin sila sa gitna eh. Huwag tayo yun sa medyo ano, gitna. Wow! Going down. Oh, tinaw, daddy, tinaw. Oh my gosh. sharp curve up.
Ano yan?
Ewan. We are in a zigzag, ate. Oh. Sharp curve siya, oh. Yeah. Yes. Hold kayo ha, hold. We have a lot of curves.
Yung isang kamay ang hawak. Okay lang.
Oh, daddy parang bilis natin.
Ang hawak pa sa frame.
Ala.
So fast.
Curve, anak, curve.
Hold ha?
Hold kayo ah.
Wala na akong hawak sa ano.
Sa,
Naka-frame out, naka-clutch lang ito.
ala.
Talagang pababa na tayo.
Preno at clutch lang to. Kanina, ahon-ahon tayo. Ngayon, ngayon baba-baba naman. Oo nga, oh. Can you feel something in your ear?
Yes.
Swallow your saliva, ha? Going up naman. Yes, it's a mountainous road, anak. We are in a mountain, so
How many hours?
po,
How many hours?
this
2 and 16.
2 hours more
And 16 minutes.
in 16 minutes. Eh, lalabas na kami sa sa green part. Yan na, malapit na kami lumabas. Siguro matapos na rin yung zigzag. Sana.
Ah, hindi pa pala.
Hindi, lalabas lang ng
Hindi pa tapos sa zigzag.
lalabas lang ng mapuno, pero zigzag pa rin siya. Oh. Ayun. So, parang ano na kami. Oh! Labas na ng mapunong part.
Wah!
Wah!